I'm now going to switch to the DCC Plus, a product that aims to help mostly row houses, townhomes, smaller buildings that have dedicated meters that are accessible nearby the parking lot. So the DCC Plus is an evolution of our current DCCs with a little plus, meaning that it can be connected through BACnet directly to the hub. Good news, it's compatible with all the DCCs that are currently installed. It will be able to operate both in individual mode, so just as right now for regular DCCs, or in a connected mode if connected to a hub. The intent being to protect both the units, panel infrastructure, but also the upstream infrastructure at the service level, which is oftentimes needed. We have a CT that monitors all the consumption going to the EV charger. So if we have a group of, let's say, 10 or 15 electric cars on the same transformer, we'll make sure that we distribute the power in a way that is fair and that maximize charging windows, learning the patterns of each tenant, so we can make sure that in the morning everybody has sufficient range to do their full day. If we go a bit more into technical and wiring diagram, so the hub needs a BACnet cable RS485 between the hub and each of the DCC. You can daisy chain those, so going out of a hub to the nearest, the closest DCC, and then jumping to the next ones with a twisted pair cable and daisy chaining. On the hub, we have 2 BACnet ports. Each BACnet ports can connect up to 99 DCC plus, but the maximum number of DCC plus per hub is 120. The limitation is really because of BACnet communication limitations. So if ever you have a project that has more than 120 units, we would need to put more than 1 hub. If you currently have DCCs out there that needs an upgrade, we do sell an upgrade kit just to do the upgrade. So every DCC sold after 2020, it's a really simple procedure, 10-15 minutes of work, and you can have a fully working DCC plus. That was the end of my presentation in regards to control systems. So both the SMP or the DCC plus, depending on the setup, depending on the buildings, will work with any EV chargers on the market. It's also a way to bring the control closer to the infrastructure, enabling the homeowner associations or the property owner to not necessarily own the charger. They will own the control system, they will own the electric vehicle energy management system, but the charger can be owned by the tenants or the condo owner.